Hey guys, you're watching Half Sip, the Lockpick and Welder. On today's episode, I've got another challenge lock. This one is Captain Spaulding by Charles Buildscraft. This is number 4, pin 102519. It's my second challenge lock that I've attempted or done on video. This one, well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to be using bottom of the keyway tension and the Medusa again from Sparrows. It's fun. I'm going to see if I can get into a false set. Okay, that seems like a pretty decent false set. Now let's just see how everything looks in here. One seems set. Two. Do we know something on two? No, two's 3. Counter rotation. This little click on 3. Lost the false set though. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Oh. Touching 6 got us. I think it was 6 or 5 or 6. I don't know. Okay. 1 is definitely set. 2 is definitely set. 3 seems good, and 4, and there we go. That was just a click on 5 to get her open. Awesome. Well, that was a nice one. Unfortunately, wasn't able to rake it all the way open, but maybe that's fortunate actually, because or whatever. It depends on how you look at it, right? If you're a big fan of raking, not being able to rake it open is not great. But anyways. All excited about getting it open, I'm starting to talk some rubbish. Alright, let's get this vise out of here. Now, I do have a key, but it is mummified, so in the interest of saving some time from having to cut that thing open, I'm just going to leave it in the open position and try very hard not to relock it. Which could be easier said than done with one of these, but maybe I can just hold the tension wrench. It's a good thing I have one of these plug followers from Sparrows that has the little grooves in it, which I can't seem to line up right now. What the no. Why? Why is this? Okay. Can There we go. I'm going to take this out of there so we don't lose it. Okay. Do that. I'm going to grab my trusty shim. Wait. Need a follower. Okay, right away I'm seeing all kinds of threading. We've definitely got threading on 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 4. Wow. Dyslexic apparently with counting. And there's only 5 pins. I don't know why I was thinking there were 6 pins. I swear I was feeling something else in there. Anyway, let's see what we got in here. Pin 1. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little bomb. Use a serrated, it's a tiny little serrated. The bidding on this, jeez. That's a really nice, like, serrated T-pin top. Standard in 4. With 4-head threading. And then Oh, what is that crazy thing? Okay, well, we'll look at that in a second. That looks really interesting. Where am I? I was almost prepared. Alright, let's get rid of you. And let's see what we got inside this thing. Oh, wow. That's cool. It's like a multi-tiered, like serrated, almost spool. There's a seriously deep and very sharp spool. That's where some of that crazy falset came from. There's a little, just a little baby, like a serrated T-pin almost, with some very weak springs. I like that. And here's another like serrated T-pin. It's got like graduations in it. What are you? Okay, here's the other reason for getting some crazy falset. Wow. It's like a stretched out, like hourglass, or like a mushroom spool with a T-pin top. That's what I'm calling that one. Mushroom spool with a T-pin top. That is very cool. And that was all, right? Let's see if there's anything fancy. No, but I am seeing different springs. We got a copper in one, got a steel spring in two, another steel spring in three. It looks like, just very short, and then copper in four, and another steel spring in five. Is it? Yeah, and a really short one as well. It's interesting having different spring tensions in there. It really gives you a different feeling. Each pin kind of works differently, so it's neat. But let's take a look at these pins close up, because they are really nice. Come on, focus. There we go. So some really nice looking pins there. Key pins on top, driver pins on the bottom. You see that crazy, that's nuts. Stretched like hourglass or mushroom spool with kind of a T-pin top on it. Very neat, very neat. Awesome work, Charles. And that was Captain Spaulding by Charles Buildscraft, number 4. Awesome. Thanks so much again, AJ, for sending all this stuff out to me. I'll link both your guys' channels in the description so everybody can check it out. Got to check out Charles Buildscraft. He's got some great content, makes some really nice looking pins, some good stuff. So go check them both out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and take care.